welcome to my channel. If you're new, my name's Ailey, thanks for watching. This video is going to be a tutorial on this eye look that I'm wearing just now, and basically I just did the eyes because I'm actually doing another video just now, which was the I mix all my foundations together routine. So if my foundation looks a little bit dodgy in this video, that's why. Yeah, I just did this look. I guess it could be appropriate for Valentine's Day. I used the Urban Decay Naked 3 palette, and I forgot how much I really don't like this palette. I don't know, the mattes and stuff like that in it are quite nice, and I really like the kind of black shade as a black, well, not even as a black, maybe as like a charcoal shade, because the pink glitter that is in it that looks really nice in the swatch and stuff like that just sort of disappears away to nothing as soon as you put it on your lid. Maybe if you put it on with your finger and you just put it on your eyelid it would stay there, but yeah, I was never very massively impressed with this palette. As you can see, I mean, I've had this palette for years and there's only really 2 shades that have hit pan, maybe just 3, so yeah, I do want to get my use out of it though, and I will continue to use it, but it's definitely not my first pick anyway. And yeah, I think that is about it. So if you want to see how I did this look, then just keep watching. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and hopefully I will see you soon. Bye.
Gave you too much, now I'm swallowed. Now I'm the fool while you're breaking rules. Dangerous path that I follow. Oh, go on, just do what you do. And it seems to follow like a shadow, dark and cold to the touch. Am I insane not to let go? Oh, go on, just do what you do. And it bleed for you.